Shit. Hey, next thing I know, we spot Ray.
But I saw Ray earlier.
Wait, what?
I saw Ray in the third period. That's it.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
He goes upstairs doing fish.
Bro, like the bus over there, bro. Like it's just like.
Bro, I have to piss.
Me too.
I have to piss.
Me too. Wow.
I'm gonna go find a bush.
Honestly,
I'm gonna go find a bush.
to be honest, bro, nah, like me too. Like,
I will literally.
So I live all the way down.
like what were you saying?
We should
I
just
live
go
that
to the
way.
fence over there.
I jumped the fence and I just stopped looking that way.
We should just like ditch
Hey,
school.
we're heading.
Yeah, like we're gonna head inside already.
Hey, wait.
I'm right behind you, you fucking moron. Purple nurple your ass. Shout out Victor's name now.
Wait, what?
That's not him over there.
Bro, we gotta get him. I can't see him.
Huh?
You're
I
too
can't
short,
see-
that's why.
I
like,
am
look at
not
all
that
these people,
short.
bro.
I'm like 5'2".
Yeah, that's not advertising, man.
5'2".
5'9.5".
You know what? Someone like 3 or
I'm
4
5'10.5",
inches.
so.
Bro, actually, I'm pretty sure the average height is
Bro,
like 5'5".
hey,
No, it's
I see. I think I see Chris over there.
No way.
No fucking.
Nah.
He's over there.
No, no, he's
Did he
not.
look at
He's over there. He's over there. He's over there. I'm gonna catch this right now. You see him? You see him? He's over there.
Does he see it?
No, I don't think he doesn't.
I can't see him.
I literally saw him. He was like right
I
behind
am
the
that
bus.
short.
Huh?
I guess I am that short.
Oh my.
Fucking midget.
I dare you to fucking the food scoot against the
Bro,
car.
I'm a midget. What?
Jump over car on your butt on the hood. Like Sonic.
Just hold your ass of a car and run. Alright, nice and cross this. What's worse than one baby being what's worse than 19 babies being nailed on a cross?
What?
One baby nailed to 19 crosses.
Oh, really?
Hey, like, hey, since all of us have to go to the restroom, should we go?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go hang out there for a little bit. Like we should skip at least.
Bro, I'm not sure if I should start streaming college again, bro.
Hey, good.
I'm like, fuck, should I start streaming again? Hey, wait, okay. No.
Oh my god.
How a black person does their videos? Okay, niggers. Just starts messing around.
Yeah, but like you know what? Like I think we should like start heading to class. The teacher's gonna start wondering like
Where I am? Nah, no one cares about me.
No, me actually.
Bro, no one would care what happens to me. They're like, ah, fuck it, he's dead. Who cares? Moving on. There's just another kid wasting resources. Let's just go.
What the hell?
That's how it is.
Go. Perfect ending to that.
I read.
Oh, wait, like he just popped out of nowhere or what?
Wait, you both saw each other outside? Like you were in the same yard?
Like him and Jonathan, yeah.
Dang.
Oh my god.
I didn't find you until inside.
Yeah, like I think.
I'm lost. Where are we?
Yeah. My class is like down that hallway.
This is like the smallest hallway.